Across the United States, a series of unusual wildlife health conditions has captured public attention and sparked widespread speculation. Viral images circulating online show deer with flesh-covered black bubbles, rabbits sporting tentacle-like tumors, and wild pigs with neon blue flesh. These striking visuals have fueled concerns about environmental threats and mysterious diseases, with some even invoking fears of a zombie apocalypse. However, experts clarify that these phenomena are linked to specific viruses and environmental factors, not unknown dangers. As we look closer, it's important to understand what is truly happening behind these bizarre headlines. One of the most talked about cases involves deer found with unusual flesh-covered black bubbles. These growths, called fibromas, result from species-specific papillomaviruses that affect only deer. Transmission occurs through biting insects, like mosquitoes and ticks. Despite their alarming appearance, fibromas are generally harmless and often disappear on their own. Wildlife experts assure the public that these viruses do not infect humans or other species, making this a natural occurrence within deer populations, rather than a broader health concern. Turning to Colorado, sightings of rabbits with tentacle-like tumors have also raised questions. These black, horn-like growths are caused by the cottontail papillomavirus, which is specific to rabbits and spread primarily by biting insects. While the condition may look unsettling, it is well documented and does not threaten rabbit populations or pose any risk to humans. Most affected rabbits continue to live normal lives, and the virus remains contained within the species. Meanwhile, in California, hunters have discovered wild pigs with neon blue flesh and fat. Sparking further curiosity, investigations revealed that the blue coloration comes from exposure to diphocinone, a rodenticide dyed blue for identification. This chemical can enter the food chain when wildlife consumes contaminated bait or prey. Recognizing the risks, California has restricted diphocinone use since 2024, and public health officials advise hunters not to consume meat from animals with blue pigmentation. This phenomenon is a result of environmental contamination, not a new disease. These unusual wildlife conditions have stirred a mix of curiosity and alarm, especially on social media, where speculation about apocalyptic scenarios has spread. Despite sensational headlines, wildlife experts have provided clear explanations for each case, emphasizing that the causes are either species-specific viruses or environmental factors. None of these conditions pose a threat to humans, and the growths or color changes seen in animals are not contagious outside their species. By understanding the facts, public concern can be eased as we move past the initial shock of these striking images. In conclusion, the bizarre conditions observed in deer, rabbits, and wild pigs across the United States have well-established scientific explanations. Papillomaviruses are responsible for the growths in deer and rabbits, while the neon blue coloration in pigs is due to exposure to a dyed rodenticide. These phenomena are not new and do not threaten human health. Wildlife specialists emphasize that these issues are species-specific and generally harmless to broader animal populations. Understanding the science behind these occurrences is key to dispelling fear and misinformation, encouraging informed awareness when encountering unusual wildlife reports.